Hello, so we got this big shipment from Korea, and of course it's going to be a bunch of BTS and K-pop stuff, so my little daughter here is going to help. We already took a scissor and just cut the box open first, so let's go through one at a time. And some of these are Christmas gifts, so let's see. Okay honey, remove. Yeah, so we got Christmas gift number 1 for Jason. BT21 shimmy, so cool, so cool. Okay, on the side.
I want to see what is this.
You want to see? Okay, this is Van for, of course, my daughter beside me. Yes, so BT21. Okay, look at her. She's taking it already. Okay, I know, they're so cute. Okay, so on the side, you want to open that up, honey? I think that's for my other daughter. I think they're PJs. So let's see. No, they do feel nice. I think these are PJs. Open it up. Yeah. Look, Tata, PJs. You want to open it up? Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, so that's the long sleeve shirt. And Tata, PJ pants. They feel nice. Yeah, they feel very comfortable. No, they do. No, they feel comfortable. They feel cotton and very comfortable. Okay. So, I think these posters are for Jason. Let's open the next one. Let's open this one. Yeah. We'll do it after. No, let's pop it after. Right now, we're just gonna open everything up.
He'll help me pop these too.
After, yes. We can help you. Don't rip it, because I don't know what it is. Let's open it up. What is it? Can you see? So what does it say? The spring days and drop the mic. What are these? I don't even remember buying this, which is so funny. And then, unless these are free, these look like some kind of card. You want to open it up? No, these look like...
They look like the same ones.
Drop the mic and spring days. I don't know. I don't remember. Unless they just gave it to us for free. Okay. Yep, so these are all BT21 stuff. Okay.
Who's
So
that?
I don't know. Keep going.
What's that?
I don't know.
Who's that?
Okay, so we'll put it away. Okay, maybe the characters. Okay, let's put it away. Let's put it back. So I got 2 of each.
Can't put it in.
Okay, so next one. Next. Go, open it up. Let's see what that is. What is that?
Pink island.
Oh, this is a Christmas gift for Richard because he likes A-Pink. So this is a t-shirt from I think one of their tours. Okay, next. Oh, I got the EXO hat
I
for
like those two.
Krista because she likes EXO. Okay, next. Next. No, we can pop all those things later. Oh my gosh, you're gonna get mad because you can't see those little things, honey. What's that? Oh, makeup. So this is, the VT collaboration with BTS. So this is... What's that?
Powdered
Powdered what?
Asian.
You want to open it up? Let's see what it is. Okay, I'm not returning it, so just open it up. I'm going to rip the box. Open it up and see what it is. Coloration. Focus. What is that? Oh, I think that's lip balm or something. Let's see. Lip color, yeah. So maybe open it up. It's just like we're gonna put each back in the box. Put it in the box and then we'll go to albums. I think one is gonna be a pink. Extra new album. Yeah, because it's pink. Let's go. Come on. Oh, take the tape off. No, no. Oh my goodness. Okay, don't take the plastic out of the, because that's a gift. So this is for part of the Christmas gift. Yes, this is for Krista, and of course it's a gift, so I cannot open it up for you.
BTS. I was wrong.
So.
It wasn't A-Pink.
Oh, it's not A-Pink?
Oh, it is BTS and A-Pink.
Oh, okay, so let me see.
The pink's at the back.
Okay, just take one out at a time, honey.
It's pink.
Yeah. Oh, careful. Oh my god, they're gift. One is a gift, so careful.
Never mind.
So this is.
BTS.
Oh, cool. Okay, we're gonna unbox this. I mean, we're gonna open it up because it's mine. And what's that one? Oh, this is also BTS. So we're missing the A-Pink stuff? Oh no.
I opened it accidentally.
Okay, this is ours. So open it up, and we're gonna flip the pages and see. Yeah. Yeah. So let's flip the pages here. One. Let me see. Okay, so it's like here. I'm gonna flip it quickly. So it's like. Okay. That's great. It's in Korean. That's awesome that I won't understand or be able to read this. Because it's in Korean. I didn't know that. Anyhow, so I guess I'll just look up pictures. Okay, great. That's this one. Rise of Bangtan. And this one is, no, let's just the cover. So this one is in Korean as well. So same thing. Oh no, it looks like it's the exact same thing. It looks like it has the same pages. It's just a different cover. Let me see. Shh, shh, shh. Yeah. We're gonna see what posters it is. I'll show you. It's the exact same thing. It is. Oh my god. Really? Are you kidding me? It's just different. A different cover. But it's the same thing on the inside. So I guess even though I opened it, I can give one as a gift. Okay, that sucks. I thought they were different on the inside, but they're exactly the same. Oh yes.
This is not.
Okay, let's open it this one. This is the Time magazine one. Kate, you want to help mommy with this? Turn each page here. This is the Time magazine one. Because they're on that cover, so they're gonna talk about other people too, right? So let's just go. Yeah, just no, be careful. Let's just see where BTS is. Because they were just on the cover. That's why I bought it.
Wait, want me to look for them?
No. Let's go one page at a time. Just in case. Oh gosh. Okay. Kate, you gotta help me because it's crunching up. Bunching up. Here. Okay, go help me. Let's get to the BTS one at a time. Is there anything about BTS? Come on. Keep going. Are they, if they're on the cover, shouldn't there be an article about them? Because it won't make any sense if there isn't. Unless it's, oh, there they are. So,
These ones are cool.
yes, I know, honey. Okay, so that was it. So that's them on the cover. And the articles inside. Okay, so let me see. Oh, here, stand over there, open it up. Yeah, I'm gonna give that to Krista. Come on, let's see. Yay! Oh, I got a poster for Time too. Okay. So they gave us, good, I can put this on the closet. So they gave us a poster for the Time magazine, which is awesome. And then there. And then Krista's gonna get that poster for her bedroom. Okay, there's another one.
No, I opened it.
Oh, you did?
That was, magazine came in there.
No, magazines came in this
No,
package.
not that thing.
Oh, this magazine came in one of it. Okay. All right, so I guess that's it. So there's the unboxing for stuff from Korea. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm assuming these things are fruities because honestly, I don't remember buying these. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye. Hi there. So I got this second shipment from Korea. This one took longer. This one I bought from K-pop Mart. I've already opened it, as in I just tried to open the box because they taped it so well. It kind of came damaged, so let's hope the inside is okay. Okay, so everything is taped. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me try. These are, I think, Christmas gifts. Because I know. So this is from, I mean, I don't follow this person, but my cousin likes it, and she's from A-Pink. So this is one of her solo albums. And my little daughter is opening the other one. Is that also from her? From A-Pink? Yeah, it's also her. Sorry guys, forgot what her name is. But she's part of A-Pink, and so I bought two of her solo albums to give to him because he's a big fan of hers. And this is this I think is, I don't know if it's just A-Pink or is it A-Pink and 17, so I can give to my other cousin. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of posters in here. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, let's open it up. Yes, let me see that. Oops. So this one, can you open it up for me? Yeah, I'll try to. Yeah. No, put it down. Yeah, so this is.
When it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours.
Yeah, all those guys there. Next poster. Roll it back up. So that's for Jason. So this is for Richard because he likes A-Pink. So, oh, what? They gave two? They gave three. Why? They gave three of the same poster. So one, and you're holding one. Oh no, and this is the other one. Open that.
But two of them are the same.
Yeah, two of them are the same, so he's gonna get two posters. So there you go. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.